In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Warp Drive Forex on my markets account for months. And zounds, it's warped straight through to plus 357.01% gains with the panache of a parodic propulsion pioneer. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that drives without the drift. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Warp Drive Forex Velocity Virtuoso. Aha, the zip folder for the Warp Drive Forex. Disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Warp Drive Forex to GBPUSD's M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Warp Drive Forex parades its plus 357.01% absolute gain escapade on markets, ballooning deposits into $1,261.81 balance with $3,834.16 profit after substantial withdrawals. Daily 0.27% chuckles, monthly 8.47% guffaws, equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders flatlines despite some volatility spikes. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for AI scalpers that ride institutional flows. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Warp Drive Forex's built-in AI-powered scalping for GBPUSD, advanced risk management, real-time automated trading, and user-friendly setup that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net profit massive. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably without overtrading. Drawdowns only 39.08% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity recovers swiftly. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Yeah, hold time's reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph barely dipping. It's not endless fireworks, but it's thriving boldly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers explosive long-term hauls with disciplined risk on majors, this Warp Drive Forex is the real deal. Hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Warp Drive Forex on MT4 with ticks from recent data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $1,055.63. Gross profits towering over losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced, win rate strong overall, average trade positive with max drawdown controlled. Aggressive yet safe performance, no drama. Perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Warp Drive Forex has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Warp Drive Forex strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.